are. Alright, we're hooked up right now. The second I turned it off, then I got hooked up. That's usually how it works. We got a nice fish here. I don't know what it is yet, but he's got some shoulders. Definitely got some shoulders to him. He hasn't even surfaced yet, so we're about to figure out to see what it is. Thinking it's a red. Yeah, it's got to be a red. Has to be a red. There's a big fish right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's a redfish. Get out of there. He's getting in the grass. What is he doing? Get out of there, bro. He's rubbing on something. I can hear the line. Get your butt out of there. Let's go. It's a toad. Nope. He's trying to get back in the grass. Get out of there. Get out of the grass. Come on, man. There we go. Man, that's a big ass redfish. Alright, come here, buddy. You're good. There we go. Bait's out. There's a nice fish right there, boys. That's a real nice red. He's got spots on the side. Oh yeah, look at his tail. That's a pig right there. All right. You ready, buddy? Later.